In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Vids in Google Workspace. First, open Google Vids and sign in with your Google Workspace account. Availability can depend on your organization's plan and region, so if you don't see Vids in your apps, it may not be enabled yet. Make sure you're using the account provided by your organization, not a personal one, to access all features. Once you're in, start a new project by clicking Create New Video. You can begin from a blank canvas if you want full control, choose a template for a quick, polished starting point, or let AI generate a first draft for you. Templates are especially helpful if you're aiming for a consistent brand look or a familiar structure like a pitch announcement or tutorial. If you'd like some help getting started, try the optional AI video creation. Google Vids can generate storyboards, scripts, voiceovers, and scene suggestions based on a short prompt. For example, you could try create a marketing video for a coffee shop or training video for onboarding employees. Be as specific as you can about tone, audience, and length. The AI will compile a draft automatically, which you can then edit and personalize. Now add your content. Insert text for titles and captions, images for visuals and branding, and videos for demonstrations or testimonials. You can also bring in music, record voice narration, and attach files from Google Drive to keep everything in one place. Arrange your story by dragging scenes into the order that makes the most sense. If you're pulling assets from Drive, double-check permissions so collaborators can preview them without issues. Next, customize the look and feel. Adjust fonts and colors to match your brand, refine layouts to improve readability, and choose transitions that support the pacing of your story. Fine-tune timing so cuts land where you want them, then layer music and narration so they complement each other. You can also record yourself directly inside the editor for quick introductions, walkthroughs, or closing remarks. Collaboration works just like other Google Workspace apps. Share the project, add collaborators, and work together in real time. Leave comments for feedback, mention teammates to assign follow-ups, and edit simultaneously without version confusion. If you're familiar with Google Docs or Google Slides, the experience will feel natural. When you're ready, click Preview to watch your video from start to finish and confirm visuals, audio levels, and pacing. Then export or share the final version or present it directly from Google Workspace. Export options can change as new features roll out, so select the format that best fits your destination and audience. That's it. Now you know how to use Google Vids to plan, create, and share compelling videos in Workspace.